a routing workstation that's all about quality workmanship and mobility. Introducing the Grizzly T34243 Mobile Router Table Workstation. With 4 locking swivel casters, this mobile workstation can go where you need it and lock securely in place. And the 26.5-inch by 19-inch footprint makes it a perfect fit for a small shop or garage. This workstation also comes complete with dust enclosures with dual dust extraction to help keep your workspace clean. The dual left and right cabinet doors let you keep bits, wrenches, and other accessories organized and within reach for efficient workflow. The massive lower compartment provides storage for extra routers and larger accessories for convenience and organization. With versatility in mind, this router table is suitable for most common-sized non-plunge routers. The premium aluminum fence has extra-large top-mount adjustment handles for easy positioning and more precise routing. Don't just elevate your routing experience. Transform your whole workspace with the Grizzly T34243 Mobile Router Table Workstation. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.